So hello everyone, I am Anupam. Welcome back to Python for Absolute Beginner series. In this lesson, we are going to learn functions in Python. So functions are very important in programming and they are used in almost every program. So let's start.
So what is a function? A function is a block of code that runs when we call it. Function helps to reuse code instead of writing code again and again. So we can write function once and call it many times. In Python, we use def keyword to create function. Calling a function. For defining the function, we use def. Def hello, round brackets, print hello. Then second one is call the function. For calling the function, we use hello round brackets. Okay. Then third one is get output. For output, we get output like hello. So a function runs only when we explicitly call it. This gives us control over when the code executes. In Hindi means function तब चलेगा जब हमको उसको कॉल करेंगे. जब हम उसको कॉल करेंगे तब function चलेगा. Okay. So functions with multiple actions like example code def so underscore numbers, print 1, print 2, print 3, so underscore numbers. Then we get output 1, 2, 3. Okay. The function executes all its code blocks together when it called. Okay. So functions with parameters. Parameters are inputs that we pass to a function to customize its behavior. Easy way, parameters means input. Okay. So first one is define with parameter. For defining parameter, def so in bracket name, print name. Then second one is pass value. So apple, show mango. Then we get results means output apple and mango. Because we put here the values like apple and mango. Then we get output apple and mango. Okay. So the parameter gives dynamic value to our function, making it more flexible and reusable. पैरामीटर से हम फंक्शन को वैल्यू देते हैं. ओके. Multiple parameters like example is adding numbers. Def add a comma b, print a plus b. Add 5 comma 3, add 10 comma 2. Okay. Like here print a plus b means a value is 5 and b value is 3. Then we get output 8. Like a plus b, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And second one is 12, 10 plus 2. Okay. So functions can accept multiple inputs separated by commas, allowing complex operations. Okay. So हम function में एक से ज्यादा input दे सकते हैं, like 8 and 12, like this. So return statement. First one is define function with return. The example like def multiply a comma b, then it return a multiply b. Second one is call and store result x is equal to multiply 4 by 5. Use the return value, print x. Then we get output 20, like 4 into 5. Then we get output 20, like a into b. Then a is 4 and b is 5. Then we multiply both values like print x. Then we get output 20. Okay. So the return statement sends the result back to where the function was called, allowing us to use the computed value. So return value को बाहर भेजता है. Okay. So why we use functions? It can reuse our code. It can save our time. It is the organized way to write code. It is easy to maintain and it is used in real projects. So here is an example of better understanding like square functions. For square function, we can use code def square n, print n into n, like square 2, square 5 and square 7. So the square of 2 is 4 and square 5 means n into n. The value of n is like here 2, 5 and 7. Okay. Then we get output 4, 25 and 49. So this function calculates the square of any number passed to it. Okay. So today's lesson we learned what is function, how to create function and how to learn function. parameters, multiple parameter, and return. So functions are very important in Python. So lesson 11 is completed. Next lesson, we will learn string methods and list methods. So if you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. See you in next lesson. Thank you and keep supporting.